Halt! Do not go any further. Okay, hi there students. In this video, I wanted to look at the adjective halting. And it comes from the verb to halt, to stop, yeah? But let's see, if somebody does something haltingly, the adverb, it's that they are stopping very often while they're actually saying or doing something. So, very often when you speak in a foreign language, you speak haltingly. Yeah, I explained in my halting Spanish the situation. We use this particularly of speech or of movement when it's very slow and it starts and stops the whole time. Normally, somebody is halting because they lack they lack confidence. Yeah, and when you speak English, it's not a good thing to speak haltingly. Notice that that's halting. I don't think it's a problem if you stop and then continue again if you do it on purpose. But if you do it haltingly, then you sound insecure. You're unsure of what you're doing. So halting, it's slow and hesitant. Yeah, particularly because you lack confidence. To faltering. So, yeah, it's something. If somebody is halting, they're a bit disjointed. They're hesitant. Yeah, they don't just carry through. So, if somebody does something haltingly, it's lacking security. It's lacking sureness in what they are doing. Yeah, so he spoke to the crowd in a halting way. Yeah, it's because you're uncertain about what you're doing. And okay, so in halting Chinese, he explained to the policeman what was happening. So stumbling, hesitant. It doesn't go on and on. He spoke haltingly about how angry and upset he was about the situation. I think this is particularly common with when speaking in public or when walking. Yeah, so he had hurt his ankle and he limped awkwardly. He walked haltingly, slowly, marked with hesitation, jerky, disconnected. Yeah, not continuous, and that's the idea. So he suggested haltingly that we should change what we were doing. Yeah. The project advanced in haltering steps, not very confidently. Going forwards, a halting voice, a halting explanation, a halting speech, a halting gait, GAIT, the way you walk. Yeah. Okay, he spoke in his halting English. So it's where you falter, you stumble, it's indecisive, you're not absolutely certain about this. Yeah, and this is the idea of halting. It's talking about uncertainty and insecurity. Okay, formality, halting. His halting English. I think I'm going to give that a 6 in formality. Would I use it informally? Yes, I guess just about. So use it anywhere, but I think probably better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal, or even a formal writing. And then as to origin, well, this comes from halt. Yeah, halt, stop, from Proto-Germanic haltona, meaning stop or to make a stop. Okay, and this, yeah, there are all sorts of halt words in, I think, in Swedish and in German and various other languages. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Haltingly.